Hey everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to draw some ice cream cone characters. Grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started! Okay, so first we want to draw a rounded shape like this. That's the top of our ice cream. Next, we'll draw some little rounded shapes underneath. And then, yep, like an ice cream cone, we're going to have that round cone part coming out like this. And we'll do some detail across for the waffle shape of the cone. Perfect. Next, we're gonna move up to the head of the ice cream cone and give it some big round eyes, like this. And fill in those pupils. Perfect. Okay. We're gonna do some eyebrows above the eyes and a little mouth for a smile. Perfect. Maybe a couple drips too, because it's melty ice cream. A few little details around. And there we have an ice cream cone. Yeah. Okay, but we're not done yet. We're gonna draw one more character, okay? Let's try it over here. Let's do another rounded shape. But this time, let's maybe have the drips coming down, like this. Perfect. Let's have the cone. And then that waffle texture of the waffle cone. Perfect. Next, let's give this ice cream cone some grumpy eyes. A straight line and two curved lines. Nice. We'll have the pupils looking up. And then a big frowny grumpy face with a curved line and a straight line underneath. Let's give this ice cream some big grumpy teeth and a tongue. Some detail on that tongue. Maybe some lines underneath the eyes. And some details around, and then some squiggly hair up top. And there we have a grumpy cone, just like that. Yeah. Good job. You did a really good job following along today. I'm so proud of you. Come back really soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!